Hello, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca once again here with a live trading room. This segment is sponsored by the Equity Management Academy. What I want to do on this segment is basically to take a look at the report that we published this Saturday, anticipating the energy and the momentum for the following week. And what we have here on the right is the summary of the report as we came into this week. The gold market came in a little bit bearish early in the week, but it gave you an indication that if we go through 1173, it's basically going to confirm it's going to negate the bearishness and put the market in a neutral position with an upward bias. The momentum indicator, one of the components of the algorithm here that we show you, is the 1167 level, and this is the mean of the week, basically the fair average price, the fair value based on the current supply and demand that's in the market factored in. So 1167 was a key level to hold, and coming into this week, basically, if we look at the chart here, the low on Monday was 1162. I'm sorry, on Monday was 1162. On Tuesday, we made a low of 1160.50, and we came pretty close to fulfilling the buy signals on the weekly algorithms, and I pointed it out that we had some kind of harmonic timing building between the daily and the weekly, as you can see from the daily numbers that pretty much have been indicating support or demand at the blue levels is being identified. And going through 1167 activated basically the uptrend, and closing above 1167 yesterday was a very good indication that today, after another test of this level, using it as a stop, that the market has the potential to rally up to about 1176 to 1187 during the week. We have seen that target being completed as we speak. The high so far is 1183 on the gold. And from our last video report, which I indicated that either the market was going to come down or new highs are going to take place, done early this week, we have seen now the market come back from the demand levels, the blue levels, the buy one and buy two levels, tested successfully, closing above it, and given the buy signal above or on a close at 1167 or basically 1160, which was the algorithm that we've been looking at, 1162 for the daily algorithms this whole week. And so every time it's come down here, this was telling you to buy it into here, and the close above 1167 activated the weekly uptrend, testing it today again at 1165.30, and obviously exploding from here through the extreme above the mean and breaking out of the Fibonacci fan trend line that we looked at last week, activating the uptrend, and now basically putting into place much higher prices. as the market closing above the sell 2 level on the daily and closing above the sell 2 level on the weekly would basically activate the higher fractal in price, and as the system is adjusting its variable changing metrics to a higher fractal in price. This is why we call the VC daily price momentum indicator, which is a variable changing algorithm that adjusts to the conditions of the market. And so now, if we close above these levels here, these levels like of 1607 are going to be the next support level, or the next blue level, so to speak, of demand for the next price level, which I believe we're looking at higher prices. For the time being, this is a great opportunity to lock in profits as we have met the targets, the weekly targets, the daily targets of the algorithms, and also if you take a look at the red zone, pretty much I think indicates that we are at an extreme level above the mean. And right now, based on this week's algorithms, the mean is 1584 for the silver and 1167 for the gold market. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to give us a call. Any questions at all can be addressed to support@ima2trade.com. You can give us a call at 877-733-1511, U.S. toll free, or direct number is 805 area code 418-1744. Once again, this is Patrick MontesDeOca. Until next time, my friends, have a great trading week.